18 plus major sectors, 20 plus Nifty factor indices like Nifty mid cap, Nifty small cap, and hundreds of mutual funds. जब आप इन्वेस्टमेंट स्क्रीन खोलते इट फील्स लाइक अ buffet where everything looks delicious, but most of it will make you ill. We will discuss the common mistake which investors do. And note, I am not talking about traders or speculators, but I am talking about investors who come in the market with a long term view of minimum 3 to 5 or 10 years of investment, but they are still not able to get the expected returns, and even more, they are not able to even beat the benchmark index. I am going to give you a structured and a simple 3-step framework that isn't based on gut feelings or tips or prediction. It is based on 20 years market data backtest, which covers 2008 crisis, which covers 2020 market crash, which also covers 2022 to 2023 sideways market or falling market. You can say that. I will show you how you can move your average CAGR of 12 to 13% to a staggering 22% CAGR while protecting your portfolio's heart attack moments, like which are drawdown from 60% to just 16%. Let's talk about the mistake that is killing your wealth. हम रिसर्च कैसे करते हैं? We go to an app or small case and then we filter it by the highest performance fund which have given the highest return in past 3 or 5 years. If you stop for a moment and think, isn't it buying at the top? We are investing in what has already performed. We are buying a ticket for a train which has already left the station. And it is not our fault. It is a human nature. We trust what we see. So because of that trust factor, we did a back test using this method, this retail trader strategy of choosing the highest return fund. We did a back test. If you followed this performance staging strategy from 2005 to 2024, okay. So if you see, your CAGR would be between 5.2% to 12.3%. Meanwhile, a simple Nifty 50 index would have given you 14.2% return. इतना साल एंड एफर्ट्स लगाने के बाद भी यू फेल टू बीट द बेंचमार्क. और जब कोविड क्रैश आया, निफ्टी फॉल बाय 52%, while you can see that this performance chasing strategy have fallen by 63.4%. So now you got the idea why your portfolio fall more compared to the benchmark, because you invest in the fund at the peak. Now there is a famous saying by Warren Buffett, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. So with the first line, be fearful when others are greedy, we avoided all the high performance fund and we are not investing in the funds which have given the highest returns and which in which the peoples are all the retail investors are investing. By the first line we avoided that. Then we took the second line, be greedy when others are fearful. हमने इस फिलोसॉफी को लेके एक मैथ ड्रिवन कॉन्ट्रा स्ट्रेटेजी में कन्वर्ट किया. So basically the 3-step framework which I was talking. So we took the step 1. Okay, the step 1 is buy the red. Instead of looking for winners, we pick sectors or factors indices which are Nifty 50, mid cap, or Nifty small cap or micro cap. So the funds which gave a negative return for that for the last year. So basically, for your idea, if you are standing on 1st of January 2024 and you want to invest, so you will see in 2023 पूरे ईयर में कौन से सेक्टर और कौन से फंड ने बेसिकली नेगेटिव रिटर्न दिया है, एंड देन यू विल इन्वेस्ट इन दैट सेक्टर और फंड. जब लोग डर के मारे एग्जिट कर रहे होते हम तब एंट्री की तैयारी करते. सो बेसिकली द कीवर्ड हियर इज तैयारी करते. वी आर नॉट एंटरिंग. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग. So we only took the first step. Okay, when the sector or the index fund is red, then we will invest. So now you can see we are easily able to beat with only just one filter. Okay, just one filter, we are able to beat the index by around 3 to 4%. And this is not just for 1 year, it is for 20 years. And this is a CAGR return. Okay, so on 20-year basis, we are able to easily beat the index with just a simple strategy of investing in the funds or the sectors which are in red and which are avoided by the people because people are fearful there. That is why we are getting greedy. Then we added a second filter, the second step basically. This is we call the safety filter. So we are not buying a falling knife. See, if the fund has performed underperformed, like given negative return in the past year, so maybe it may fall more, right? So instead of directly investing in that, we added a filter of momentum. Okay, so now you can add any filter you want. You can add a 3 month positive filter, like continuous 3 month a positive hua, so you will invest. Or you can use, if you are technical person, so you can use RSI or moving averages. Okay, whatever momentum filter you can use. So we, in this strategy, we use 50-week moving average. So once the price close above 50-week moving average, okay, so we will invest in that sector or the fund. Okay, so now you can see, earlier we were easily able to beat the index by 3 to 4%. By adding this simple strategy, we are able to beat the index by 4, like almost 5%. Okay, almost 5 to 6% we are easily able to beat the index with adding just the second filter of momentum. And also you can see the max drawdown has dropped significantly to minus 11%, which also considers the 2008 crash, which also considers the 2020 crash. Okay, also you can see the Sharpe ratio has increased. From here you can see 1.12%, the Sharpe ratio has increased to 1.45%. Sharpe ratio is basically how smooth your journey will be throughout the period. For 20 years, how smooth the journey will be basically. If you see Nifty ka Sharpe ratio is 0.55% and 0.52% for Nifty next 50. Now we added the third filter, basically the third filter, the step 3. Now see, this is called a Ray Dalio approach. Okay, this is a risk parity approach. So हर सेक्टर एक जैसा नहीं होता, right? Microcap index is like a high speed sports car, you can say that, which is fast but risky. And large cap, you can say that it is a Mercedes, okay, premium Mercedes, where you are sitting comfortably and you are going for the board meeting or something, right? So it is slow but it is safe. So you cannot invest same amount equal weights in micro cap and you cannot put the same amount in large cap. Okay, so हम रिस्क पैरिटी यूज करते हैं, जिस एसेट में वॉलेटिलिटी मतलब अप्स एंड डाउन्स ज़्यादा है उसमें हम कम पैसा लगाते हैं, एंड जिसमें वॉलेटिलिटी अप्स एंड डाउन कम है उसमें हम ज़्यादा पैसे लगाते हैं. सो एडिंग दिस द थर्ड फिल्टर along with a bonus filter, which is, this is a filter to remove the emotions. Okay, basically, so 15% stop loss टू प्रोटेक्ट योर कैपिटल. हमने स्टैंडर्ड रूल कहा रखा है, अगर कोई इंडेक्स जिसमें हम इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं 15% गिरता है, you can use 20%, you can use 10%, but we found a sweet spot of 15%. Okay, we will exit. No emotions, just discipline. This one rule keeps your drawdown at a tiny 7.8% to 12%. Okay, so the results are, you can see the results. Okay, from like, if you see that from 21% the results are given to, like results have came down, decreased to 19 and 20% basically, right? 1% का decrease, nearly 0.5 या 1% का decrease आया हुआ है. But the important thing is, if you see the Sharpe ratio has increased, means the journey will be more smoother. ज़्यादा ups and down देखने को नहीं मिलेगा, first thing. And second thing, the drawdown has also decreased, right? So from 11% we are down to 8.4%. So 20 years का data explains us कि we should invest in sectors and indexes where people are either not interested या लोग negative returns देख के डरे हुए. So basically invest where people are running out from. Okay, so now here is where it gets interesting. When we added a Sharia filter to this data driven strategy, the results got actually improved. Sharia compliance isn't just about faith or some religious filter. It is a high quality forensic filter. By removing companies involved in gambling, high interest debt, and unethical sectors, we are left with businesses that have strong balance sheet and cleaner operations. So to just give you an example, suppose there is a tire manufacturer. So the company's main business is to manufacture tire and sell tires, right? So now if you see a company is getting 100 rupees profit, but 80 rupees is coming from interest, a loan which a company have given to some other company, and they are getting 80 rupees profit from there, and 20 rupees is from the sale of tires. Then when you compare this to other tire manufacturer companies, you see that they are earning 80 rupees from selling of tires, while 20 rupees is coming from other interest income or sale of asset, or what 20 rupees is coming from something else. So basically, when we went in depth, we came to know that this company is not an NBFC company, a loan giving company. Instead, it is a tire manufacturing company. So income should be coming from tire manufacturing, right? Selling of tires. But here it is ulta. It is coming from interest. So ये तो company का core business है ही नहीं. You see, when we add a Sharia filter, this kind of naughty businesses automatically get filtered out. So in our backtest, the Sharia compliant version not only boosted returns but made the portfolio even more crash proof. And this is what we call ethical alpha. You can see the result here with the Sharia compliance filter. You can see earlier we were getting around 22 or 21% and 20, like near 20% return, right? So here we are getting 23.9% return, including the max drawdown was near 7.8, and now here we get a max drawdown of 5.7, and you can see the Sharpe ratio has increased significantly, which is smoother journey hogi. Investment is not a game of luck. It is a structured data driven process. Most advisors just sell products, invest in mid cap और इस फंड में डाल दो, इसने highest return दिया है. However, we provide a standardized framework to diversify your portfolio, to protect and grow your wealth. We work with a select group of clients who understand the value of Sharia compliance and a structured investment approach. Let's have a professional conversation. Book a call with our certified experts from the link in the description. And remember, if you do what others are doing, you will get the results what others are getting. If you want different results, you have to do things differently. Happy investing.